What's up guys, this is Josh, ATM technician. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a print all setup on your ATM. So one of the first things a technician is going to ask you for when you're having a problem with your ATM that you're unable to solve on your own is they're going to ask you to send a print all setup. So the very first thing you're going to do, you're going to go up to your ATM when it's in your home screen. You're going to press the clear enter 1 2 3. You're going to enter your generic password for teller mode and enter. Then you're going to hit the button that says system mode and then the set print up. Once your print all setup is printed, the technician will have you send them pictures of the print all setup, and they will go by section by section. There are 5 sections. If there is no problem with any of the sections, we'll be troubleshooting your machine further on from that point.